There is a time. That times come for everyone. You know, there's a time when you will have to take stock of what you have done in your life. You will have to take stock of what you have accomplished, of the people you have changed. You will have to take stock of the value that you brought in this world. You will have to take stock of your existence, of what you brought to exist, of what you have built by giving your life for it. Most people root you with the guilt of not being able to do everything they wanted to do in their life. The majority of people are not proud of what they have done because they arrive at the end of their life by having not done more than neighbors, by being not fulfilled, by having not brought value into this world. There comes a time when you too will have to take stock, and unfortunately, this moment may come much sooner than you expect. At a time when you did not expect it. At a time when you want to say, not yet, I'm not ready, I haven't done anything with my life, I have accomplished nothing. But that moment is coming and you can't stop it. But you can do something else. It's acting every day of your life as if that moment could happen tomorrow. You must be worried that this moment is coming tomorrow and you haven't done anything yet. That your lives are not purpose in this world. But I know that you want to bring value in this world. Every human being wants for the people he loves. Bring them something that will improve their lives, that will improve this world. Make it better, make it more beautiful than it already is. So act, work like tomorrow will be your last day. Work to make your life the biggest impact that we have ever seen in this world. Work for the love of work. Work on you. There are so many ways to improve this world, and you are a part of it. By dreaming big and fighting for their dreams, men make a difference and change the world. You can be one of these men. Your passage in this world is limited, so create change. Stop wasting your time and do what you are here to do. Do your mission. Do what you feel the best for you. You know that eat sugar and see movies all the day is not right for you. You have to do this mission, because disappearing without having done it is the worst thing that can happen to you. Find your mission. Find it there. This mission lies deep in your heart. It circulates into your veins. Act, take risks. Try anything you can. Find this mission and live for it. Live to realize your dreams instead of just looking at them until you die. The world waits for you to act. It waits for you to improve it. Be one of those people who agrees to live their lives completely, to leave this world with having fulfilled their dreams. How can you live with fear? With the fear of failure and not fear the fact of leaving this world as if you did not existed. The world is populated by ordinary people who wait to wake up, to come out of the crowd but do nothing in their life for it. But for you, it's different, because now you know about it and you are not going to like an ignorant person. Because with ignorance, there is the culpability. Do not be deaf or blind. This mission awaits you. Get out. Get out of the crowd. Get out of that kind of person who comes into this world and comes out without the world realizing that he existed. You have to act now. Do it for your loved one. Do it for the people around you. I know it's hard. I know it takes disciplines and hard work, but life is hard and it's much harder to choose to remain ignorant. Do it as if you had no other choice, because in reality you have no other choice if you want to stop to undergo your life. Come out of ignorance, come out of laziness. Your failures will teach you and your failures will make noise in your place. The fulfillment is the nature of man. Do not fight against it, but act with it. Act in your nature. That is why a worker is unhappy. It is not because he doesn't not earn enough money, but because he has no more difference than all the other workers. He doesn't not survive any recognition of the work he provides. He gives his life without anyone raising it, even himself. He gives his life for just a small amount of money. His name does not exist in any book and any thought. That's why you have to shine. You have to be that game-changing person who comes out of ignorance and takes his loved ones with him. Make it for you and everyone you love. Do it for your children, for your brothers and sisters, for your parents, for everyone around you who is waiting for someone to take the torch and light them up. So today I'm telling you, if you have seen this video, it's that you are this person. I know you feel it deep inside you. You want to do something, be different from now. You are going to live differently. Realizing your dreams is why God brought you in this world. Do what matters most to you, what you love to do and what you can do all day. Shine and enlighten those around you.